The man tried his first death spin on a motorbike to become a famous celebrity. They got a new two-hand motorcycle to spin really fast, with the tires making black smoke as they sped up. The strong brother started to feel dizzy, but his friends didn't stop for better video quality. They pushed the throttle and the bike hit 500 horsepower. If they lasted 3 to 5 hours, the video would go viral, and they could become top streamers. After spinning 3,800 times, they had 1 million viewers. The motorcycle started smoking from too much friction, and the fire spread fast. Brother Chang tried to stop, but accidentally made it go faster. He was losing control. The two were shocked and panicked, so they called the rescue team. Police showed up and put out the fire, but their reckless actions cost Brother Chang his life.